going on YouTube? Micro Scale Garage. Got some parts in from rcMart. I've already unboxed it. The box came in a day ago, and I was gonna do it right then and there, but then I was finishing up the ECX Barrages kits. So here is one of the extra speed 1/35 scale rock crawler accessory pit max for the Orlandoo Hunter. I shoved one in Christine's Datsun. I got one here for the Jeep. Part number is XS59794. They're pretty cool. I also picked up the intake for the Jeep. Yeah, don't mind this right here. This is one of the kids' Lego nets that I found in my truck that they left. It was like in a little box. I was like, what is this little box? Opening up, it was like a Lego net. I was like, oh, we'll try and put that on the Jeep. So I was trying to figure out a way how to put it on, but I'm gonna cut all this off and everything. But what this is it's the front grill, the intake grill for the Jeep. And it's also now with this as I was talking about my gruesome net before I dropped the camera, this is the front grill, and then as you can see that's black, but on the other side it gives you like another one where it's like chrome. I mean, I guess you can go either or, but you can also do the air, they call it, you know, the air intake. Well, actually that would be the air intake where your scoop is, but this would be like ventilation for the engine bay, and you can do a grill for that. As you can see, my body's really dirty. Gotta clean it all up, but that's use. Oh, and I lost my little gas can. Alright, so that's just a little bit of the parts. I mean, I was just like, oh, you know, I still got to get some parts for the I got to order the bearings that go on this gear, and I believe they're the 5. I got to go on rcMart to look. I'll have it in the description for which bearings I need. It's the reason why the axles aren't together yet. But this is the box that came. So let's go through all the parts together. Even though I've already went through the parts, like, I don't know if these tires are gonna go on the Bronco, but I really want to get some more sets of these. I mean, I haven't even opened them yet. They're super soft, super stoked about these tires. I can't wait to crawl with these. Try some different tires. Part number for this is going to be XS59786. These are 30mm crawler tires, soft 4-piece for the Orlandoo Hunter OH35P01, OH35A01. I mean, they're not that wide, you know, they're pretty narrow. So I guess you can still put them on the Mitsubishi. I'm not even gonna wretched that name of that truck again. I gotta find the US name of that truck. I also picked up for the Bronco 2-to-2 servo. You guys should know this part number by now, but it's AS0022. This is a 2.2 gram servo. I might actually go up to one of the hobby shops and pick up a micro servo with like a 9 gram servo or a 7 gram servo, something a little stronger than 2.2s, but it's always good to have extra servos. Then I got 2 of these because my buddy Dan, he's building an Orlandoo Hunter, the Mitsubishi, and so I ordered 2 of these so he can buy one of these off me. The roof rack. I want to figure out a way if I can drill the lights out. Like, it looks like there's enough plastic to where I can drill out the light buckets in there and put some SMDs in there. I mean, that's going to be a lot of work, but I want to try and do it. Or this roof rack is going to serve for me to put Don Gregian's light bar. And I'm sorry, bro, if I said your name wrong, but I would really love to try and put his light bar on the Mitsubishi. So I got that. Another sleeping bag, or pit mat. I like to call them sleeping bags just because of the way they look, but they're pit mats. And this one's gonna go in the Bronco, scale accessory for the interior. I was thinking about putting in the back of the bed of the F-150, but the F-150 hauls, you know, it hauls everything. And then this, I gotta order 2 sets of these because this is going in the Bronco axles. This is the brass heavy duty gear set, XS59679. Yeah. Oh yeah, I can't wait to try these out. But I think I'm gonna have to reorder my drive shafts because I think these take 3-3s, and if so, I think I got a set of 3-3s that I can swaggle together. Pretty sure that this, yeah, that looks like that's gonna, that would fit on there. Maybe we're gonna have to open that up and see, because I was trying to get drive shafts for the Bronco too, so I can get that done. As a matter of fact, here's the drive shaft. This is a MD5 300, and this is a 2-2, and this is the wrong drive shaft. So this would go for like the Orlandoo semi truck, you know, that I'm building. And a speed controller, what I need for the Bronco. Part number for the speed controller is TS0001. Alright, I gotta, sorry about that. I had to reposition my hand. My finger was getting all tired, like pinching the camera. Let me see here. Bag of goodies. Alright, here's another drive shaft. We got, yeah, see, this is what I needed. MD5 3-2. And the reason why I need 3-2 is because going to the transmission, like from the axle, yeah, it's 3. So I'm fine. Yeah, I'm straight. I don't have to use that. Because still going to the transmission, I still need 2 millimeters. So I need 3 millimeters coming out of the drive shaft no matter what. And I need 2 millimeters no matter what coming out of the trans. So I'm right on this. I need to order another 3-2 rcMart. That's what I need. Right. And then I ordered these rims because I think the Jeep looks killer with these, but I'm really thinking about putting these on the Bronco. But then I keep looking at the Mitsubishi, and I'm like, I want to upgrade the Mitsubishi, you know, and its weight, they're aluminum. I really like these now that I see them physically in hand. These are the aluminum clock mass beadlock wheels, 4-piece. I like those from Extra Speed, you know, but I made those with the wider rims. But I really like those, and I think those right there would look sick if I was to do it like, you know, like that, you know. And the part number for these is XS59675. Yeah, I can't wait to get those going. And I ordered 2 sets of these, so that way I would have some type of rims on the Bronco when I get it going, and you know, for the spare tire, because I was really thinking about putting it on the Jeep, these 6-spoke wheels. But I think these wheels are for the Mitsubishi because these are 6-spoke, but they don't look narrow like how the Mitsubishi's rims are narrow. I'm gonna have to check that out to see. But part number is GA0007. Did I say another 0-W? Oh, white. Because there's gray ones, and then you got the black ones. So we got 2 sets of those. And some more tires. Now these are just they don't tell you like what millimeter. I think these are hard or medium. I don't know. I hope there's not harder. I hope this is as hard as it gets for the tires. But these don't need no foams. These are harder than regular stock Orlandoo Hunter tires. They don't feel sticky, but also I'm holding it in a plastic bag, you know. But they look like the General Grabber. I don't know if I can say that right. Is it licensing infringement? Will I get sued for that? It looks like General Grabber tires, like a lot of tread pattern on those. That looks sick. I want to order some more of these, so you know, for spare tires and all that. I just like having that stuff. Part number for these is XS59762. Man, they're kind of growing on me now that I'm holding them. They look pretty cool. Might put those on the Bronco. And then finally, because I'm always banging off mirrors and stuff, I ordered another set of mirrors for the F-150. This is like the 3rd set. SS SA0003. Yeah, it's for the OH35 P01. You get your grill, you get mirror, you get windshield wipers, and side rearview mirrors. And then, oh, I did get these. Yeah, I was like, I need to order these. Oh man, these are the metal window guard set, black, for the Jeep. Yes, 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 it's going down. Yes, more scale stuff for the Jeep. Metal window guard set, XS 59792 BK for black because they have silver also, and they also have a front bumper for the extra speed extra speed makes a front bumper for the Orlandoo Hunter Mitsubishi, the OH32A02. Yeah. Then for the Bronco, so that way, you know, get ready to crawl over some rocks. We got some suspension. You know, we got to do it good with the, and we're just gonna run with these shocks for right now. I didn't order any of the extra speed hard or softer shocks. Part numbers for these is ME5 230. Everybody always asks me, they're a must-have, like especially when I'm just building a kit. Must-have these shocks right here. They're fun. They're fun. You know, like the stock ones are cool, but the stock ones are too bouncy. You know what I'm saying? This is you bungy all over the place. All right, and then another motor. So I always got to keep in stock with my motors. My motor junkyard, or yeah. This is a NS 120. This one I actually need a 80. I want to put an 80 in the semi truck, but I want this 120 right here because I want to try and make like a 10 scale winch for one of the boys' barrages, or I might just take one of those motors and like use that 500 RPM if it can do it, if it can pull like one of those 112 scale barrages, the 1.9 scalers. Try and see if I can make like a winch or something. And that's all. That's the end of the box. Alright, you guys, that's gonna be it. I gotta get some sleep. I gotta wake up early in the morning. I get the kids up in the morning. Hold on, I guess we can take a sneak peek at the barrages and take a look at their paint jobs. But yes, I know it's a little dark, but there's my TRX4. There's Blaze the cat. She loves the RC cars. Here's Xavier's barrage. It's like a gunmetal. I know you can't really see it. I tried to do like a wood grain. You know, we got some rcMart stickers on there. You know, a little bit of ARB on there. And then Xavier's or Adrian's kit. Once I helped him build this Adrian's kit, I built this kit within like, I don't know, 30 minutes. I mean, I put all the links on the axles, and then I built the trans, and then built the frame, put the little battery case on the frame, and then threw the axles on the frame, and then built the engine, or built the trans and put the engine on the trans, and then I actually opened up the trans, put some grease in the trans, but I think I might have put too much in there. I don't know, feels real stiff. Maybe that's good. I don't know. I haven't drove it yet, but this green, I'm really liking this green. I didn't go all the way around the rail here, so it gave the bed like a little bit of depth. And instead of like Xavier's, when I was painting his, I kind of went around with the wood here and up on here. With Adrian's, I did like a ECX sticker bomb kind of look. But that green just, oh man, I'll put the part number in the green, the description of the green. And then I also, the backing coat color was a mixture of not a PS color, but a TS. Like, as the paint was wet, I sprayed it with a TS chrome gray or silver, not a chrome, it was like a silver gray aluminum yeah, aluminum gray or something like that. I'll have the part number in the description. Like this is actually a PS gunmetal, and then that's a TS gray. I know that's gonna probably flake off. And then the backing coat was like a testero gold that I had when I was painting, I believe, Adrian's ambush Jeep Wrangler body. And I also went a spray of the gold under, you know, over the silver, and then I did another spray while it was wet because it was snowing outside. I got a picture on my Instagram where like it bubbled the paint like all up, and the paint was really bubbled, and I was like, oh man, it's ruined. You're gonna see like holes and stuff in the paint. And then I went back over it with the silver, and then I hit it with the green again. You can kind of see the little dots in there, but on the outside, or the part that you're looking at, I mean, there's a spot right there, like right there, right there. But this is yeah, this is me. Like here, I was trying to do a wood grain. There, I was trying to do the wood grain with two closely browns, a red brown and then a dark wood brown. This was the dark wood brown and a desert tan, and I think that looks better. That came out better. But yeah, that's just me. I haven't tested them out on the rock course yet. I've been waiting on like a good day for me and the kids and the boys. We'll take the TRX4. I'll drive the TRX4 and I'll see if they can follow the leader. See if they can follow. Had a little bit of issues when I was wiring up his truck and trying to tie down his wires. His lights didn't want to come on. They're still kind of janky, the switch. But I can plug it into his truck and they come on. But if you move that cord around, it kind of, you know, janks around. So I think there's something going on with the wiring. So I'm gonna probably redo all that stuff, check all the wiring out. But that's gonna be it, you guys. I know I've been talking my brain out. Oh my gosh, super long video. Peace, like, and loves, share, and thank you guys for watching. I'm going to bed. Alright, you guys, check you later.